Okay, this is still the 25th of February 2012, Saturday evening at roughly 6:30, and we're looking at a most unusual conjunction of the Moon, Venus, and Jupiter. We've taken several videos of it earlier, but just looking at them, the way they're lined up, you know, it's unlikely that we'll see it exactly like this again anytime soon. Again, the three brightest objects in the night sky. The Moon, of course, is the brightest object after the Sun, then Venus, then Jupiter. See, Venus is about magnitude minus 4.4, Jupiter minus, can be anywhere from minus 2.2 to 2.8, and the Moon's brightness varies quite a bit depending on what phase it's in. And right now Venus is it's east of the Sun, which is why we see it in the western sky. And at its closest point, it's roughly 26 million miles from the Earth when it passes directly between the Earth and the Sun. So right now, it's roughly 55 million miles from Earth. Jupiter is about 500 million miles from Earth, so it's quite a bit farther away. 5 times the distance from the Earth to the Sun. The Earth is 93 million miles from the Sun on average. It varies between 94 and 91 million miles. So Jupiter being 500 million miles, it's about 5 times as far away, quite a bit colder out there, like minus 250 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's real winter time. But later on this year, Venus will transit the Sun. It will actually pass in front of the Sun's disk. And that's the last time that's going to happen for 108 years. It happened last in 2004, and it will again happen this May of 2012, and then not again for another 108 years. So that's the way it happened, to get 2 transits 8 years apart, and then 108 years between those transits. So it's just a funny quirk in the way Earth and Venus orbit the Sun. So again, it's Saturday, February 25th, 2012, and looking at a most beautiful conjunction on Saturday night.